Hey everybody, my name is Audra and this is Living Crafty and Cozy. Today I'm doing a short video to show you guys how I'm updating my front porch for the summer using some Dollar Tree products. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more DIYs and creative ideas. Let's get started. Oh boy. Yeah, that didn't turn out like I wanted it to. Anyways, just getting started here, putting that little flag in this cute little wreath I found about 2 years ago. And it's just missing a few little accents to make it look Americana. So I am putting the flag and these cute little, it looks like just decorative metal stars. And I found this all at Dollar Tree. And I'm just tucking a few of them in here and there. And it looks perfect for the summer and for all of our patriotic holidays. I'm just giving the porch a good sweep, removing the old rugs, and I found these long banners at Dollar Tree. And I decided that I could just layer a few of them, and that could be my little underneath layering rug for the summer. And it worked out perfectly. In an ideal world, if I had more time, I would tape these together, and I probably still will, but for time's sake, I just went ahead and cut everything down and just laid them side by side. Next up, I am fixing these planters. I had my bunny topiaries here, so I switched them out, and I found this really nice vine at a flea market recently. The 2 bundles I have in both of these planters they were like $2. So I just found some blue and white floral here from Dollar Tree, and I'm putting 2 blue and 2 white side by side here and just shoving them down in the front of the planter. Next, I'm taking this red tray, this serving tray I found at Dollar Tree, and these blue shiny plates, the paper plates, and I'm just using some glue dots, and I stuck the blue plate onto the red platter. And then I'm turning the plate over, another plate over, and it reveals the white back of the plate, and I cut that down and fit it in the middle. So it makes a really cute little design in the planters. Next up, I am just adding some of this really cute, this is a fabric bunting that I got from Dollar Tree as well. It's $1.25 a piece, so you can just literally buy as many as you need. I bought 5, and that seemed to fill in this area pretty well. And there it is. There's the front yard. We added some flags in that little hanging floral arrangement, and everything looked patriotic and ready for our summer holidays. We're ready to go. Summer's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to doing some things with my kids. And I've got some exciting things coming up. I'll make sure and keep you guys all updated. But for now, I just wish you a happy holiday, and let's get ready for summer, everybody. Well, that's it for now, and we'll see you guys back here. Bye.